ooh, I'm sorry. So this is the game we're going to play. I'm going to throw a couple of extra little things in a little bit. So the way we play this game is you're going to grab an item from the bin, okay? You're going to identify, you're going to act like an optical sorter. You're going to identify what kind of item it is, and you're going to walk over and put it in the correct bin. And remember everything that we talked about as to what is what and how to discover what is what. And just to be interesting, I'm going to trip you up a little bit. Go ahead. Yeah, closing the eyes is good. We like that. So show everybody and tell everybody what it is.
So this is an HDPE colored
Yes, it
plastic.
is. Yes, it is. Excellent. Starting out strong. Poof, right? It's the poof game. Okay.
Got a poof.
All right. So what's that?
This is PET
How do you know it's PET?
because it's plastic.
It is, and it looks like most PET, but would you check the number one just to make sure? Where's the number one? There it is. Now you know for sure.
So what if it's a higher PET?
Oh, what?
Do they have different number of PETs?
No, PET is always one.
It's always one.
It's always the number one.
Good to know.
But, and we'll see in a second, what is that?
It's a PET.
It is, yes. Excellent job. You guys are doing great. Yes.
There are like many more, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There are, and we're going to talk about
Like
those.
PET.
There are lots of different, there are what we call 3 through 7s plastics, and we'll talk about those in a second. We call those mixed plastics. You find it? Yep. Woo! You gonna throw it or you can walk it? Nice! WNBA right here. Oh, good. Changing it up. He was just like, that goes right there. Right, so just to be interesting, who thinks they know what type of plastic this is?
PET.
Did you see me pull it out of the bin? Okay. Well, this is,
on the bottom, right?
it does tell on the bottom. There is a number one here. And this is the little trick I like to throw in because most PET you see is going to look like a soda bottle or a Gatorade or a water bottle. But sometimes it doesn't.
So how will the machine visually recognize
It actually, when the laser scans it, it actually can tell by the way the light refracts off of the item. It's futuristic stuff. An interesting side note, optical sorters are also used to make sure that you guys never get a burnt potato chip or a burnt cornflake. They're used for quality
So
control.
how accurate is it?
It's extremely accurate, like 99.9%. Yeah, at that level. It's the most accurate sorting process we have.
I saw like a paper bag come into like right there.
The plastic bag, those are the only issues. Those bags are so light that they will get blown around sometimes. The only thing that could affect it is if, say for example, somebody gave us a water bottle half full of water, that would be too heavy to be blown with the puff of air. It would fall down. So we can't.
What do you do with those things?
The end is coming. Wait for the end.
And also what happens with the lighter weight, like when you're blowing the air, there are some lighter weight like peppers and everything, right? Even that.
Yeah, the paper should already be out of the stream earlier, so they
But
would.
still I see the peppers over there.
So, yeah, unfortunately there's a small layer. All right, guys, so we're going to talk about this one. If you guys want to have a seat, if that's easier, I know it gets a little skinny here as far as the hallway shortens. We can talk really